I have the tow module, red wire, connected to the 12-volt power source to the plug, which is, if it's in the back of the truck like this, it is that top wire, white wire right there. Then the blue is the reverse, which then I hooked it to the wire for the reverse light on the tailgate light bar. Now we're gonna plug it in and see if it'll work. So up underneath the truck, pulled the factory clip out, got the adapter in there, plugs it in there, got the reverse wire, got the power wire, then we got the extension running through here just to hold the wires up. Then got plugged into that. The module's plugged into that. Then the other end of the module is plugged into the light bar. Now we'll see if it'll work. Alright, so now I got everything soldered, hooked together, heat shrinked, put a little bit of extra tape around it just to protect it. Put the double-sided sticky tape on that bad boy. And I'll show you that later, where that's going to go. Now we are going to take off the tailgate. Alright, so I took the tailgate off. We're gonna do that right there. You gotta do the other side. You gotta tip it up. Pull this side out. Tip it up again, and then pull to the right to the passenger side of the truck. So now what I'm looking at is this right here. This is the tailgate. It's really hard to see, but it's right above that little notch and that plastic piece. That's where we gotta put the light bars, just right below that. There, I got it mounted. The plastic's kind of making the clips a little at an angle. These clips are not in all the way, the two in the middle. But I plan on, this is touching there, so I'm gonna take, I marked it on both sides of it, the magic marker, and I'm going to stick it there. I'm gonna take the sticky off for that one, and the sticky off for that one on the back. Stick it to that one, stick it there, and stick it here. That way, it's stuck. I mean, it's pretty solid. So, for the ones in the middle, I use 2 grommets. I don't know if you can see that, but there's 2 grommets there. And I use a self-tapping screw. Alright, I got it fully installed. When I soldered those two wires, it made it so I couldn't unhook them from from all the wiring. So I had to drop all the wires down through here. Pull this back just a little bit, and all the wires drop down through there. And then they run through there, back behind that, through there. I did add some of those plastic stuff to cover up the wire to help protect it. Zip tied that to that. Got one little zip tie up here. Didn't want to block that hole. It's for your spare tire. And then I just zip tied that up to there. And it's just gonna hang out up there. Now we'll put the tailgate back on. That's what she looks like. Pretty good. About even with the bumper. There's a clip there. It's really hard to see it. There's another clip there. The tailgate goes right above the light.